Hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video from me, your girl KayaJourney. And in this video, it's all about the pits, and the armpits. So a few months ago, as you guys already know, but I'm gonna repeat it for all the new subscribers, I am on a journey where I'm trying to transition my makeup, my skincare, all my beauty items to more healthier alternatives. So a few months ago I decided to switch over my deodorants. I used to use conventional deodorants that contain aluminum and other negative substances, and through research I decided to switch over to more healthier alternatives without the aluminum and without all the unhealthy chemicals that are not necessary in deodorants. So in this video I'm going to take it through a transition of all the different deodorants that I've been using so far, that I've tried, the ones that I loved, the ones that I hated, the ones that I would never use. I'm going to throw them in the garbage right now after this video is going to be out, and the ones that I've stuck with me and I'm consistently using. So to begin with, after I decided to transition, the first thing I did was I looked up a recipe on YouTube and I decided to make my own deodorant. It had baking soda, which unfortunately I realized that in such a high quantity I am allergic to it, and it broke my armpits out really bad. They turned really dark, they were peeling, and it was just not a good look. So I had to ditch that one and start all over again. Next, after that one, I came across what is known as the Crystal. It is the natural protectant. This one here, the Crystal body deodorant. This one had a lot of great reviews on YouTube, a lot of great reviews on the internet, and it is basically a hard rock. It's a solid mineral, and I did a video on it also. I will link that below for you guys to watch. And you basically add water to this and you rub it under your armpits. I used this one for about a month or two until I gave up on it for a few reasons. One, the application to me was too tedious and it was hard to remember, because you can't just apply it. It's a hard stick. It's like a rock. It literally is like a rock. That's what it is. So you have to apply water. Now with that, if you apply too much water, you will be rubbing forever, because you basically have to rub it under your armpits until the water disappears, until it evaporates, and that barrier of water is what protects you from the sweat and the smell all day. So if you apply just too much water, you'll be rubbing all day, and if I'm in a rush to go to work and I'm like, I gotta get this on, it can be time consuming. And if you don't apply enough water, it's very rough and sticky under your armpits, and it's painful sometimes to apply. Another reason why I discontinued using this was because a subscriber of mine mentioned that even though they claim it doesn't contain aluminum, it does contain potassium alum. And many people say that it is a form of aluminum, some people say it's not. So with that controversy whether potassium alum is aluminum or not, plus the annoyance of applying it daily, I had to toss this one to the side. So I haven't used it since. Then after that, another subscriber mentioned to me about this deodorant, and this was sent courtesy for my review. So this was sent from me, and it's called My Goodness Deodorant. She sent 3 different samples for me to try out. The regular My Goodness Deodorant, soothing deodorant for when you're shaving sensitive areas, foot deodorant. So you put this underneath your feet and it's supposed to help pull out impurities from your body. And I used these. I particularly used the regular deodorant for a while. I enjoyed it. It did work good for me. It is, not sure if you can hear, it is a liquid. So how you apply this one is you squirt out some in your hand. Let me show you, like so. That is the consistency of this one, and you apply it under your armpits. It doesn't have a scent or anything, but you apply it under your armpits. It helps block odor. So you might sweat a little bit. I'm not a big sweater, so it wasn't a big deal for me. So you might sweat a little bit, but it does block the odor. So this was really good as well. It is aluminum and toxins free. It is stain free, which means that it will not stain your garments. Vegan, gluten free, unscented. It is rich in magnesium and Dead Sea minerals. And it provides protection up to 48 hours from odor. So this was a really good one as well. I enjoyed this one. The only issue that I found was the application again. When I'm in a rush, I have to, you know, squirt it out, apply it, make sure I wash my hands afterwards. So the reason why I went on to something else is because of the application, but I would recommend these three. I definitely would. They did help block the odor. I did sweat a little bit, but the odor was blocked. So if you're not a big sweater, then this is good for you. It's passed now, and I'm still on the hunt for a good deodorant that just blows my mind. So I go to my health food store down the block from me after a while, and I see they have a whole deodorant section, and for some reason I was attracted to this one. So the next one that I tried is this Jason Apricot deodorant right here. It is the Jason Nourish and Apricot Pure Natural Deodorant Stick. Clinically tested all-day odor protection. No aluminum, parabens, aldehydes, or propylene glycol. So I really wanted a stick deodorant because from the other ones that I tried, like I said, application was the big factor for me. I need to apply and go. And this one, I saw it, I was like, yes, a stick deodorant, let's work with this. I think out of all of them, this one was by far, to me, in my opinion, the worst one. Like, this is the one where I really did not enjoy this one because I continued to sweat with this one. And I continue to have a slight odor with this one, which was annoying. It smells good. In the package, it's a very nice, refreshing apricot scent. But I'm gonna sweat with that one here. I'm sweat till with that one here. I'm sweat, I'm stink. I'm gonna want to sweat and stink because that's not cool. Sweat, and I still had odor with this one, so this one was the worst for me. And I wore this one to work, and one of my co-workers about how I was trying to switch over to a more healthier deodorant. And she recommended the one that she used, which is a very popular brand. And this one you pick up at Sephora. And this is the healthy deodorant. So this is the one that I moved on to next. So this is the healthy deodorant found from Sephora. It is, the scent is Vanilla Breeze. It's 100% natural, nourishing, no aluminum, and no parabens deodorant. It's from the company La Vanilla Laboratories. So far, this one has been a holy grail for me. It says all natural ingredients, 100% healthy, no harsh chemicals. It has no photochemicals, no phthalates, no propylene, no glycol, no mineral oils, no silicone, no synthetic dyes, no sulfates or parabens. It's 100% healthy skin. So this one so far has been a lifesaver. First of all, the scent. It smells so refreshing. It has a sport luxe scent to it, but it's a very refreshing scent, and I really enjoyed this one. It is like my go-to deodorant. This is the one that I'm sticking to for now. This is it. I found it, you guys. I found it so far. This is the one I'm sticking to. Only thing is that this does have a lot of ingredients compared to the other deodorants that I showed you. However, compared to the deodorants I was using before, like the regular store-bought one, this is much healthier. So this is probably not the healthiest of all, but it is healthier than, like, you know, the other ones that I was using before, like the Suave or the Secret or the Degree. So this one so far, really good. I'm sticking with this one for now until I can find something with less ingredients, but still really good. But not least, I received this one recently. This is a sample. And I received this one in my last month's April Vegan Cuts beauty subscription box. And what Vegan Cuts is a subscription box that I have where I get a monthly box filled with beauty, skincare, different healthy, vegan, all natural green beauty products. And this sample was in my April box. It's by the company Routine. Marvelous vegan clay and natural deodorant to keep you smelling sweet. It's a prize mix between lavender loveliness, spicy earth goodness, or patchouli and vanilla. So this one here has a very earthy scent. It is a very creamy consistency, sort of like whipped butter kind of. And the application for this one is the same way you scoop it out the jar and apply it under your pits. This one I find that I enjoy the scent, as well as I also enjoy the staying power, because with this one I don't sweat at all. I mean, I sweat very minimal, but it's not something that is overpowering. This one, I find that it keeps me dry, and it has a very light earthy scent that it's released all day. So this one I enjoy as well. The only issue is I really don't like the fact that I have to use my hand, scoop it and apply it. To me, it's just too much. That so far has been my deodorant journey. I'm still looking to try different ones just to find the epitome of holy grail, because even though I love the La Vanilla one, I still would care for another one with more simpler ingredients or less ingredients. If you guys have tried different ones that you want to recommend to me, without baking soda of course, and yeah, let me know in your comment section. I will continue to update you on my journey to being more healthier, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video if you guys enjoy seeing videos from me, and have a good day. Bye.